Develop success from failures. Discouragement and failure are two of the surest stepping stones to success. The lie flies, and the truth limps after it. In times of war, the law falls silent. Respect yourself, and others will respect you. No man becomes rich unless he enriches others. Without courage, wisdom bears no fruit. Manage your mood, because if it does not obey, then it commands. To give out someone else's secret is betrayal. To give out yours is stupidity. We must bring our own light to the darkness. When in doubt, tell the truth. Don't let yesterday use up too much of today. The best is always the enemy of the good. Children learn by an adult's example, not by their words. First, think. Second, believe. Third, dream. And finally, dare. A clever person solves a problem. A wise person avoids it. The thing you think about determines the quality of your mind. Most so-called failures are only temporary defeats. Life isn't about finding yourself. Life is about creating yourself. Men cheat because they don't feel needed. Women because they don't feel loved. It's not what happens to you, but how you react to it that matters. Often the lies that are believed become the truth. In order to understand the world, one has to turn away from it on occasion. All that we are is the result of our thoughts. Do not judge, or you too will be judged. Be equally indifferent to blame and praise. Men are moved by two levers only, fear and self-interest. Never put off till tomorrow the fun you can have today. To lead an orchestra, you must turn your back on the crowd. Learn first, teach later. He who builds on the people builds on the mud.